Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to check battery health using Ampere app on ZTE Blade A55. Firstly, go into Google Play Store, tap on search bar and search up Ampere. Then just install the app. Now, once your installation has succeeded, you can open the app. Tap on consent and OK. Consent and OK. And as you can see, my battery health is good. Now I can also swipe to left or to right to display a lot of information in different themes. So that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any more questions, let us know in the comments.